Hello everyone, guys. If you know sabi do braid, come and learn with me. We will do it together. So I go section the hair, the one when I want to start. Now slow motion, step by step tutorial. Now it be as I section the hair like that, I'll comb the hair, then I'll use attachments. They braid the hair, boss braid. I'll first tie that one, go up. I'll start to braid the hair. Now step by step tutorial, you go learn. Now this one I want braid, so I will use the attachments. I'll section into two. And this attachment I want to use. So I'll share now into two, one big pass one. So the small one, I'll use and take cross arm. So I don't cross arm, I will start the braid. So as it day three, so we'll use hand take cross arm. Use and take cross arm like that. May I open and show now again. You see, I use and take cross arm. Yeah. Now say into three. Now three be now the same size. See as I want to start the hair. You use hand take cross the attachment. If I want braid there, I go hold the hair like that. Or just share the hair into three. As the attachment I into three, the hair when I section I still share into three. So use and take cross arm. You know they hard. As I cross that one like that, I'll still use and go the other side. So now step by step. So I'll still cross arm. Now so you take continue the hair. I go show now again now. Maybe you never sabi do hair at all. First share the hair, section into three. Now see as I do one, 2, 3. So that it go dey easy for now. As it be now, so the attachment still be. Now into three, yeah, into three like that. 3 pieces. So I go use the attachment now. Take hold the hair. I'll take start now. Now see the attachment when I hold, now into 3 is still there. So I use and hold on like that, then you cross them. Yeah. You know hard. So the hair when I section now, I will still share into 3 before I start to the braid down. I don't hold one like that. So the second part, now be that one. So the other hair, I use and see as I take hold on, very easy. Use and take hold the third one. Now see the hair into 3. Now it be 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'll start to the braid the hair now. Now boss braids. Just the braid the hair like that. 1, 2, 3. And the same thing, nothing different. You all continue the hair. Just continue the hair, the braid down. Even if you not sabi do hair at all, boss braids, you fit do them. You not be like cornrow. This one a very simple braid. Now it can easy pass. As I dey cross my hand like that, nothing different. You cross them like that. Then you carry and come the other side too. You cross them. Now so you take continue and take that one now, cross and go the other side. Just continue like that. Show now see am. Very easy. You dey cross the hair. Carry that one, go the other side. Carry the right one, go like that. The middle one now carry and go like that. You dey cross am till you finish. Now so you take continue the hair. I see her. Now so boss braid reach, no hard. I know say now feel learner. Come and learn with me. Mona gather here. Now we get beautiful girls, beautiful baby girls. Mona no sabi do hair, mona can't let work. I see the hair. So I go lose her now. May I still show na again. You know they had now feel learner. Small. Now don't they braid there. So I know session this one into three. This one I go do the normal way when I tell they do hair. I know session the hair to three, only the attachments. Now see as I do and so. You use and take cross and like that. Then I'll start the braid. If anything there where you don't understand, leave the message for me for comment section and go reply to your message. Now see now if I want to do person here now, so I'll take start them. Now see as you braid now, you cut the hair joiner. You have to braid the hair. And the same thing. You have to braid the hair. They go like that. But if you like this type of tutorial, you want to see more, I beg give me like, share this video, and click that follow. So that anytime when I upload video, you go to see them. I go bring more, come more. As I take the braid and so. Yeah, now so boss braid reach. I'll continue just the braid down. I'll still show now the end day. I take finish the hair, so now feel still end that one join. But some people they braid down reach the end day. So I'll use needle now to hold the hair like that. I'll use needle to pin her. So that I go still I'll feel show now the end day. Now see I know say na into theory. I say as it be. Yeah, I'll put two together now. Then I'll twist them. You'll twist the mouth of the hair. But if you want to do a boss braid reach the end, it's not still bad. But now like this, me tell they do my own. You'll twist the end. You'll twist them. So now so the braid reach, guys. Help me like the video and share the video. Let me know if you need more tutorial like this, guys. Thank you for your time, and I'm gonna see you now for my next video, guys. Bye. Guys, this one has speed braid now, braided gel. Now to braid your hair, to curl your hair, to boss braid your hair, to retwist your dreadlocks. It is available for wholesale. Also, if you want to buy one. If you need the product, guys, send me a message for this WhatsApp number. I will deliver the product to your doorstep. Thank you, guys. Bye.